Alrighty, let's get our materials and get ready to start pouring. The first thing to do is take 4 cups and put them upside down on your surface. Put your canvas on top. Let's get our paints ready now by mixing in 3 parts pouring medium, 1 part acrylic paint. Mix thoroughly. Next thing to do is to pour a whole stack of white on your canvas and tilt it around till it's really evenly covered. Keeping in mind all these colours are mixed in with pouring medium today and mixed very thoroughly. Let's take another cup, and in this cup we're going to put in a little bit of each one of our colours. A little tip for this is to pour it a little bit on the edge and tilt your cup as well. It just helps layer your colours one on top of each other. You need about half a cup of paint for this. Alrighty, let's get pouring. To pour with your tree ring, you want to keep your hand relatively still and make little tiny circle spirals. With each spiral, you're wanting to outline the previous, so it's almost like you're repeating the same pattern again and again and again. Do this until all your paint is out of your cup and you're quite happy with the size of your tree ring. And now you can pick up your canvas and gently tilt your artwork around. This is an optional step, because if you want it to be a perfect circle, you'd leave it exactly how it was. If you are going to tilt it, it's important to be sure to tilt it very slowly, because if it's too fast and you're going in too many directions, you're going to get some ugly little zigzags happening, and you don't really want that. Once you've finished tilting, put your canvas back on those cups and let it dry for 24 to 48 hours. The lovely thing about using Atelier pouring medium is that it keeps your colours super separated even though it's poured at such a fluid consistency. The other thing too is that your paint is not going to move now. As soon as you've poured it, it's going to dry like that, and it gives you those lovely crisp lines and beautiful artwork. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. Until next time.